Fishy friends, welcome here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today I'm not cooking alone, I'm cooking together with Anouk. And Anouk was assisting me for the last 3-4 months with all these amazing stories of sustainable fisheries around the globe. And one day Anouk was serving me a lunch and I was so, excited, I was so surprised by this amazing recipe. Anouk, what are we going to make today?
Yes, we're going to make a salmon Wellington. Wellington is known for its beef, but today I'm going to make it with our sustainable salmon.
Yeah, just let's kick off. Okay, so Anouk, what are the ingredients for today?
We have spinach, salmon, puff pastry, 1 egg, feta, and sesame seeds.
What do you want me to do?
You can start with stir frying the spinach.
Spinach, okay. So stir frying spinach, the way I always do it is have a clove of garlic and I just peel it and I have it on my fork. Basically, I'm using this fork as a spoon. I'm going to stir fry the spinach so it absorbs a bit of the flavor of the garlic, but really balanced. Okay, so that's my role today. Good. So, frying pan, middle to high heat, a good splash of olive oil, and I will start stir frying the spinach.
Alright, so I will be cutting the salmon.
Add a bit of salt. So what I see, you have 2 steaks of salmon. Okay, so you have an egg there. I'm going to beat the egg, okay.
The next step is to roll the puff pastry.
Okay, so spinach, it's stir fried. And we have 2 fillets of salmon here, salmon steaks coming from Kvarøy, which is a tiny little island up north in Norway. 85 inhabitants. And it's not only the most delicious salmon existing, in my opinion, but it's the most sustainable salmon on the globe. If you want to know more about this salmon, click underneath in the box on the link and you will find out why this salmon is so special. So we have the spinach right here. Should I drain it?
Yes, please.
Good.
I'm going to make the salmon a bit dry with some paper.
Guys, meanwhile, very important, we have preheated the oven on 200 degrees Celsius, which is around 410 Fahrenheit.
I'm going to put the salmon on the puff pastry next to each other, but make sure there is some space
at the end parts. Guys, look at this. It's so easy. So you need puff pastry, you need salmon, a bit of spinach, and you can create this amazing meal on your table. Are you happy with the spinach this way?
Yes,
yeah?
that's good.
Here we go. Spinach.
Right, so I'm going to put the spinach onto the salmon. Then we're going to take the feta and I'm going to crumble it on top of it. And can you put some black pepper on it?
Black pepper? No. And the feta might give already some saltiness, right? So
yes.
We're not adding extra salt.
So now I'm going to fold the puff pastry to each other. All right, I will take a fork and I will close the puff pastry around it.
This is for 4 persons, maybe?
Yeah, maybe, but it's also a very good snack.
So Anouk has beaten 1 egg and we're going to brush, or Anouk brushes the puff pastry with this egg, this beaten egg. Why? To get this golden brown color. This is what you want to have when you serve this amazing recipe on your table.
One last thing, the sesame seeds.
Great.
And I'm going to top it off with that.
Then we have it in the oven, right? So 20 minutes on 210 degrees Celsius, 410 Fahrenheit. How far are we, Anouk?
I think it's ready.
Oh, wow. This looks so good. Great, Anouk. Yeah. Should we have a taste?
Yes.
Fantastic. This is so good. The crunchiness of the puff pastry. And then we have the oiliness, the great flavor of the salmon, and then the spinach, and then the bit of saltiness of the feta cheese. It's amazing and it's quick and easy to make. And for you guys, if you have any comments, any questions to Anouk, to me, please leave them in the box down below. And hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday.